In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. This process allows marketers to streamline their data management by syncing real-time data from Facebook lead ads directly into a Google Sheets spreadsheet using the Coefficient add-on. Coefficient is a powerful tool that can help consolidate all advertising efforts, especially for those using multiple platforms, enabling easier analysis and reporting. To begin, open your Google Sheets and navigate to the top menu where you'll see the Add-ons tab. Click on it and then select Get Add-ons. This action will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace, a hub where you can find various tools to integrate with Google Workspace apps like Sheets. In the search bar of the Marketplace, type in Coefficient and press Enter. Select it from the list of results that appear. Once you have found the Coefficient add-on, follow the prompts to accept any necessary permissions and complete the installation. These permissions allow Coefficient to function effectively by accessing the data it needs to integrate Facebook ads with Google Sheets. After successfully installing Coefficient, return to your Google Sheets and head back to the menu. This time, click on Extensions instead of Add-ons, and you'll now find Coefficient listed as an available add-on. Launch it by clicking on its name, and a sidebar will pop up on the right-hand side of your spreadsheet, ready to assist you in connecting and importing your ad data. Before diving into data importation, you'll first need to link your Facebook ads account with Coefficient. To do this, look to the Coefficient sidebar and click on the menu icon located at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear, from which you should select Connected Sources. Here, you'll add a new connection by clicking Add Connection at the bottom of the screen. Next, click Connect to Facebook Ads and be prepared to authorize this connection. You will be prompted to log in to your Facebook account. After logging in, click Continue As to grant Coefficient access to your account. With this setup complete, you're ready to create your first data import. Initiate the import process by simply opening Coefficient in your Google Sheets, then clicking on the Import From button. A list will appear, so select Facebook ads from this list. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch to begin creating your data setup. You'll now be able to select the desired fields that you'd like to import into your spreadsheet. Utilize the search functionality in the Metrics, Breakdowns, Action Breakdown, and Action Attribution boxes to find the specific data points you're interested in. To further customize your import, you can apply various filters or set row limits depending on your data needs. Once you've made your selections, click Refresh Preview to see a snapshot of how your data will appear. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking Import located at the top right corner. This will automatically populate your Google Sheets with the selected data, providing you a seamless way to monitor and analyze your Facebook ad performance directly from your spreadsheet.